Ding Dong, how you feel?
I feel financially unstable.
Alright, so it's day 2 of Ding Dong's YJ build. Last night we pulled the engine and transmission out. Got the engine out, transmission's out. And today we're going to pull everything else and get it down to a bare frame so we could do some sandblasting and painting. How you feel so far?
It's feeling good.
He's very excited, you just can't see it yet. Alright, time lapse time. Alright, so the end of day 2, it got a little dark. We had to cut some bolts off this morning, so technically the end of part 2. We got the frame completely down. There's nothing that we need to take off this frame anymore. So next step is sandblast, fix a couple things, and some paint. Ding Dong, how you feel?
I feel financially unstable.
All right. So yeah, part 3, we're getting a sandblaster. We'll sandblast the frame down to the metal. We're gonna fix the metal and we're gonna paint it. And then we're gonna start putting it all back together. That sound good?
That sounds great. Yep.
See you next time.
Beat down.